an empty list, we just append some numbers and that list. For example, we have a list which will be empty, and we just append something into that list. So it will be like list, and there will be something. So let's see in practical what does it mean and how we use this in our programming language. Let's import the module of random. So from random, import random. Let's have a number is initialized to 10. So that let's have a list. For example, an empty list. A for loop we use here, for item in range of n. Obviously it is 10. Just pass this here. Now we use mylist.append. See, while we say append, here in bracket something will be shown. That let's clear this once again and we'll see. Object, self list object. What does it mean? Let's pass the random here. After that, from 1 to 99, any numbers between them, a random number, you have to append this to the my list, which is empty list. There's another for loop in. Let's have this once again, item in range of item in my list. Print item. This is an empty line, and we just print. Here will be also an empty. So let's run this and we'll see what will be the answer or the result through console. Obviously 10 numbers, so randomly they are here in this list. Let's run once again this. See, the number changed. See once again, this 37, 34, 42. Let's run once again and just see the numbers will be changed. Obviously 38, 83, 37. The numbers are changed because it is a random number.